How to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account instantly. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can transfer money from PayPal to bank account instantly. So without any delay, let's begin with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can do it. First of all, you may just download the PayPal application into your device if you are on a mobile device. After that, log in into your PayPal account using your PayPal details, login details, and you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So after seeing here, what you're going to do is simply head over to the wallet section, and you need to add your bank and cards in order to add certain amount into your PayPal, like add balance to your PayPal. You may just click on add banks and card and choose banks. After that, choosing your banks, just choose link one of the banks in your PayPal account. After linking one of the banks, you just gonna head over to your PayPal page again after adding certain amount into your PayPal account, and just click on your balance in order to go with the further process. After clicking onto your balance, in order to transfer it, just type in transfer. On the next page, you can see add money and transfer. Just tap on transfer, just click on transfer. After clicking on transfer, just click on transfer money again. You can get two options, transfer money and get cash. Just tap on transfer money, and here are two options. One of them is in minutes and another is into 1 to 3 days. So if you choose the option of no fee, it may take about 1 to 3 days in order to for the money to be transferred. But since we're transferring it instantly, you may just choose this in minutes. If you choose that offer of in minutes, certain cents will be deducted from your USD fee. So you may just choose it in minutes, and you may just go on with the process transfer, and after selecting in minutes, and your money should be transferred into another account instantly. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to transfer money from PayPal very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.